Hello student, this is the video for your chapter The Untrained Mathematician. In this chapter you will get exercise for the chapter. In the last video we have completed till exercise number C, and now here we will proceed exercise number D. You see exercise number D. Why does Hardy express his reservation about Ramanujan's work initially? Here reservation means feeling of doubt. Why does Hardy express his doubts about Ramanujan works initially? You have to write the answer here. Let's see. Hardy expresses his reservation means feeling of doubt about Ramanujan's work as he is untrained and has no degree, because he understood that Ramanujan is untrained and he has no degree. So he expresses his reservation, his feeling of doubts about him. Means anybody could make a doubt for a people when he will get a news that this person has no degree, no training. So without degree, without training, nobody will believe to someone that he will do proper work. Okay. Now, number 2, what do Ramanujan's and Hardy's letter tell us about their attitude to each other? You see, their letter means G.H. Hardy and Ramanujan's letter shows us their highly collaboration. Collaboration means student cooperation. The letter of Hardy and Ramanujan shows a great collaboration, great cooperation between them. Now number 3, how did Hardy help discover and nurture Ramanujan's genius? Help discover and nurture Ramanujan's genius. Its answer will be Hardy helped a lot to discover and nurture Ramanujan. कैसे उन्होंने उनको इतना सारा हेल्प किया, कैसे नर्चर्ड किया इन द डिस्कवरी ऑफ रामानुजन? यू विल सी हियर. Hardy helped a lot to discover and nurture Ramanujan's genius, as he recommended and arranged him to join Cambridge. Means you can say here he helped him, he nurtured him, because he had himself arranged for him to join the Cambridge. Now number 3, how did Hardy help discover and nurture? Okay, this is clear. Now exercise number E. Work with a partner. Share your answers in class. Devour means eat hungrily. What does Ramanujan soon devoured their textbook mean? What was he hungry from? Means devoured का मतलब क्या है? Eat hungrily. So what was the hungry for Ramanujan? And he ate it, he consumed it. What was he hungry for? You can see him. It means he was curious and restless about the books of mathematics. Means he was not hungry. जो लाइन दिखा हुआ है, was hungry for the books, it means not that he was extremely hungry. He was curious and restless about the books of mathematics. He was hungry for book of mathematics. Number 2, obsession means thinking only about one thing or person. मीन्स किसी सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति के बारे में, एक चीज़ के बारे में ही जो सोचे, जो विचार रखा जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्सेशन इन अ सिंगल वर्ड. तो व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस? कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस रिजल्ट ऑफ रामानुजन्स ऑब्सेशंस विद मैथमेटिक्स. द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ रामानुजन्स obsession with mathematics were that he could not concentrate on other subject and failed his FM. FM means fellow arts examination twice in a row. So the consequences means the results of Ramanujan's obsession, thinking for a particular thing with mathematics, were that he could not concentrate on other subject. वो दूसरे सब्जेक्ट पे बिल्कुल कंसंट्रेट नहीं करते थे. आप चैप्टर में मैंने आपको पढ़ा भी चुका है कि वो मैथमेटिक्स के अलावा दूसरे सब्जेक्ट पे फोकस नहीं करते थे. सो ही वाज नॉट सक्सीड इन हिज FA मीन्स फेलो आर्ट्स एंड ही फेल्ड देयर ट्वाइस इन अ रो. ओके. Number 3, which of these words could replace acknowledged in the passive? Praised, accepted, recognized, admitted, respected, or admired. Why do you think so? Means for the word acknowledged, which words in the passage will be used? Praised, accepted, recognized, admitted, respected, or admired. What do you think? What do you think about it? And if you think that some words can be replaced here, then why you think that those words are appreciable here? You can see here, we can replace it. It means acknowledged with accepted, admitted, and admired. Means the three words can be used in the place of acknowledged, as he was genius in mathematics. Because as Ramanujan was genius in mathematics, and there was no doubts in the theory, in the brilliance of Ramanujan. Now number 4, nudged means pushed gently. How did Ramanujan's friend nudge him? Nudged means क्या होता है? Pushed gently, very gently किसी को push करना. So here we have to write that how did Ramanujan's friend nudge him? कैसे रामानुजन के फ्रेंड ने उनको नज किया. ओके. You see here, Ramanujan's friend nudged means pushed gently him. As his boss was a member of mathematical society and he was good in that. He was pushed gently because his boss was a member of mathematical society. Mathematical society का member उनके बॉस थे. And he was good in that, and boss was also very happy with Ramanujan. So this process was very easy for him, and he nudged, he pushed gently there. Now number 5 from this exercise. Trodden is the past participle form of tread. Tread means होता है walk करना, which means to walk. What does Ramanujan means when he says that he has not trodden through the conventional course? मीन्स यहाँ पे जो रामानुजन कहते हैं that he has not trodden through the conventional course. What is the meaning of this word here? The conventional course. Okay, you see here. He means to say that कोर्स मीन जैसे आप करते हैं कोर्स, बीटेक कोर्स, आप बड़े होकर आपके जो ब्रदर सिस्टर करते हैं बीटेक कोर्स, एमबीए कोर्स, एमसीए कोर्स, तो कोर्स हो गया. डिग्री मीन्स क्लास 10th डिग्री, 12th का डिग्री, ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री. और क्वालिफ़िकेशन या क्वालिफ़िकेशन की बात होगी तो इफ़ ए पर्सन इज़ qualified in graduation, he will say that I am graduate. His qualification is graduation. Couldn't trade his talent as he was striking out for a new path himself. So here you see that he means to say that course, degree, qualification, he has nothing. और बिना इन सारी चीज़ों के वो कैसे अपने टैलेंट को ट्रेड कर सकते थे. एज ही वॉज स्ट्राइकिंग आउट फॉर अ न्यू पाथ हिमसेल्फ, और वो अपने लिए न्यू पथ बनाने के लिए सिर्फ स्ट्राइक कर रहे थे विदाउट डिग्री, विदाउट क्वालिफिकेशन, बिकॉज ही हैड नो डिग्री, नो क्वालिफिकेशन, ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेल्फ एक्सपीरियंस, बेसिस ऑफ हिज ओन लेबर, he was trying to achieve all these things. Okay, this is the answer of this chapter. Okay, here you see, read these words from the text. Lose interest, detailed account, take a casual look, fair chance. To do these words convey the same meaning. Drop interest, through account, give a casual look, just chance. सेम मीनिंग देखिए यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट के साथ एक अलग वर्ड यहाँ पे जुट गया. ये डिटेल्ड अकाउंट है तो थ्रू अकाउंट हो गया. ऐसे वी यूज सर्टेन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स मोर फ्रिक्वेंटली दैट अदर्स. वी यूजुअली कैन नॉट रिप्लेस वर्ड्स इन सच कॉम्बिनेशंस इवन विद देयर सिनोनिम. तो इस तरह के सिनोनिम्स को देख करके हमें नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज F के लिए यहाँ पे वर्ड्स को यहाँ पे सेट करना है, जिससे कि प्रॉपर हमें यहाँ पे आंसर मिल सके.